Guys, I am giving Robux to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. In this video today, guys, I'm going to be running through how you can obtain these absolutely awesome driving empire codes. You can get tons of free money and even unlock all cars using these codes for Roblox Driving Empire. I spent hours earlier searching Google and also watching other YouTube videos trying different codes for Driving Empire. Finally managed to find some awesome codes working in 2026 that you can use right now. Now, before I show you these codes, I am doing a Robux giveaway, guys, and to enter that giveaway you simply have to like and subscribe. And basically, guys, this is going to take you a few minutes, and you're going to be able to get the best currently working Driving Empire codes. So as you can see, I do recommend you use your mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android as well. Just open up the internet browser, have an internet connection, and go to www.crashcoupons.com. So it's very important you type it exactly how I've typed it here, and it's going to bring you to Crash Coupons. Now, they have so many different code pages on here. It will take you probably multiple hours just scrolling through the pages of codes. So you can use the search bar at the top and just type in Driving Empire, and it's going to bring up a predictive search here, so click on that. Now, there are only a couple of verified working codes, but these are awesome codes. Like I mentioned, you can get 10 million free money in Driving Empire, and you can get a code to get all cars for free. So I'm just going to select the cash code. I've already done this, so I won't do it again. I don't want to waste a code for this tutorial because they are limited, guys. So as long as you can find these codes, that means there's still codes available. So as you can see, it says your code is ready and it is hidden. The code is locked, basically, if this is your first time on Crash Coupons, because it stops people basically stealing all of the codes. They are limited, so you can only do this once. I've already done it, but you've got to click on this button, and then you're going to see this screen here, which tells you how to basically unlock your Driving Empire Roblox code. So it says complete 2 of the free offers below. Basically, guys, it's super easy. You just got to complete 2 of the tasks here. They're all completely free. You just need to make sure you follow the instructions below each app, because that tells you how to complete them. And there are things like installing apps and stuff like that, guys. You can read what you have to do, but yeah, just take your time. It's going to take you about 5 minutes to complete 2 of those, and if you do that, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons and your Driving Empire code will be revealed. So the full code will be shown, and you can just basically take it, copy it, either write it down or just enter it straight into your game. And that one's going to give you 10 million free cash. But yeah, these are the best codes for Driving Empire in 2026. Go to Crash Coupons. Any questions, let me know, guys, but it's pretty easy. Make sure you do like and subscribe for that Robux giveaway, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.